Debbie says I need a shave and a haircut. What do you think? Oh, no, no, wait a minute. I'm not done yet. Now that is much better. Now, let's talk about the train show. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And what is it about these train shows? Lately, they're all virtual. You have to go online to see them, unless you're one of the lucky ones who get to go to a very small train show. And that's what we did on Saturday, February 13th in Kissimmee. I did a live stream on there, but unfortunately the clips didn't come out that well because of such a bad signal there. At the end of this one, I'll show you what I got. Okay, here I am at the train show in Kissimmee, Florida. I tried to do a live stream, but the signal is really, really bad here, so it didn't work too well. So I'm just going to walk around. Okay, here's a long shot of I guess this is the Knights of Columbus in Kissimmee, 2000 Neptune Road. And like I said before, not a lot of people here today. It's a really crappy day today. It's raining. It was raining really hard. So. And we'll go up one of these owls here.
No, some of the stuff is still in boxes, never opened.
Oh, look at that. All right. Where's Hot Rod Rodney?
I found black ice. So, over time, got worse and worse. Yeah, all four. Cement.
Okay, for my future garden railroad, this is a pretty good price, 12 bucks. And this is for the Zitnik's trains. And I'd seen one here earlier from East Broad Top, but uh-oh, somebody must have bought it already. They got the Pennsylvania one. Somebody bought the East Broad Top. Oh man, I was just here 10 minutes ago. $4 each for curved track. A lot of end scale stuff. I don't know how people see these things. I would need a magnifying glass all the time. Holy moly. Let me get the layout here. Here's the G scale. Yeah, I'm doing, yeah. I had to do something here.
Oh, I don't know why you say that. I don't know. I don't know why. Yeah, no.
Entire box, $7. I've been eyeing these up, but I don't have no place to put them. But they would be nice to put on my workbench. They're stackable. Okay. Now it's recording. Okay. Now this thing shuts off at 10 minutes. It's screwing me up all the time. So I'm not sure when I was recording and when it stopped. Here's Sadie, huh? And Debbie waiting for me. Okay, we're outside. The live stream didn't go very well because there's a bad signal in there. But this is what it looks like outside. This is the place. Now you're wondering, what did I get at the train show? Well, I spent a total of $16.40. So I got this P&LE. It's a 2-bay hopper, 34 foot with knuckle couplers in a nice little box. That was $8. And then that was from Zitnik Trains. And then I looked at the G scale because just to get me motivated to do something outside on a garden railroad when I build my pond. Now, it was marked down from $39 to $12, and it said everything off 30%. So I ended up paying $8.40 for this right here. So total $16.40. I got me a caboose to put outside and remind me that one of these days I gotta start a garden railroad. I'm gonna have to get my ON30 stuff out and put it in the family room to remind me to get started on that also. So that's the joy. So that's the joy of going to train shows. Real ones where you can actually bring things home. So until the next time, we'll see ya.